Hi there, I'm going to take you through a quick upper body CARs routine with the assumption that you have done CARs before. We are going to start with the neck. So, body nice and still, tuck your chin, slowly round down to your sternum, drag that chin over towards that right shoulder, tip your right ear toward the right shoulder, look back and up. Think about stretching your neck. Start tipping to the left. Rotate, bring that chin over towards that left shoulder as much as you can, rounding back down to the sternum. Then I like to look up all the way, chin toward the sky, tuck the chin, slowly round down. We're going to go other directions. So you're going to rotate towards the left shoulder, tip that left ear, look back and up, tip to the right, rotate right, bring it back down, and up, look up again. We're going to do one more rep each way, and I want you to think about stretching your head away from your body as much as you can here. So we're going to rotate toward that right shoulder, tip, stretch that head away. Shoulders don't move, stretch, stretch, stretch. Turning to the left, rotating to the left, rounding down to the sternum. We're going to look up again. Final rep. Round down. Drag that chin over to the left shoulder. Tip to the left. Stretch. Big stretch, long neck, up, over to the right. Bring that chin toward that right shoulder. Round back down. And relax. Awesome. Now we're going to go to our scapulas, our shoulder blades. We're going to do both at once and do two different positions today. So, roll forward, arms staying straight, shrug up, draw back, pinching the shoulder blades together, and down into your back pockets. All right, arms straight right by your sides. Roll forward, shrug up, pinch back, draw down like you're punching towards the floor. Now we're going to reverse it. We're going to pinch back, shrug up, roll forward, punch down. Nothing else is moving. Pinch back, shrug up, roll forward, punch down. And I'm going to quickly show you another version. Let's do this one here. Arms out. You're going to shrug up, pinch back, draw down toward the hips, punch forward. Body doesn't move. Shrug up, pinch back, draw down, punch forward. Now we're going to reverse it. We're still down, pinch back, shrug up, elbows straight, punch forward, draw down, pinch back, shrug up, punch forward. And relax. Shake it out. Now shoulder CARs, we're going to start low tension and work to high. So left shoulder, palm is out, externally rotated, come across the chest, reach up, rotate internally as you reach back, sternum doesn't change. Okay, we're staying nice and tall, and we're going to reverse. Other direction, rotate, up, across. Now I want you to make a little fist and feel a little bit more tension through your arm and your shoulder. I want you to squeeze into your end ranges a little bit more. Challenge those muscles. So as we go through this, I want you to feel those muscles working a little harder to squeeze into as much range as you can. Okay, you're still not moving the rest of your body. Focus on everything around the shoulder working as you're going through. There we go. We're going to go for one more rep. Squeeze tighter now. All right, a little harder. You're working, creating more tension through your body. Really reach that shoulder. Make sure you're rotating, so as we go back into that extension. Now external rotation. Fight for that rotation, fight for a little more of it as we come across the chest and down. All right, other shoulder. Open palm, light tension. We're going across the chest. Reach up. Rotate internally as you reach back into extension as far as you can to your side, reverse, rotate externally, continue rotating as you come up, brushing past your ear and cheek, and down. A little bit of a fist, a little extra tension here, okay? So we're going to work those muscles. Feel everything around the shoulder working to pull that arm into the biggest circle we can. All right, reverse, rotate, squeeze, up, 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 brush past your cheek and your chest. Last one, tighter squeeze. Arm is working hard, okay? Really push. Try to keep the rest of the body nice and still. Okay, so we're still trying not to move the chest, still staying tall. Don't lose any height. You can imagine you're balancing something on your head. And squeeze past that cheek, across the chest, and down. Next, we're doing the elbows, so palms open, arms neutral, just like this, okay? And we're going to go down, and we're going to squeeze up, bicep squeeze, rotate, push down, fully extend the arms, rotate, pull up and squeeze. Rotate, fully extend. Biceps don't turn here, right? We're turning. Those upper arms are not moving. Rotate, down, and then we're going to reverse the rotation. So now we're coming top of the hands up, rotate, down. Rotate, up and squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Rotate, and down. Now, come to here. We're going to do a couple more reps, externally rotated shoulders. So, boom, externally rotate those upper arms, and they're going to stay locked in there. Up and squeeze. You'll feel those outer shoulders working a little bit. Rotate, squeeze at the bottom, rotate, keep that external shoulder rotation, up, rotate, squeeze. Then we're going to reverse it. Top of the hands come up, rotate, squeeze, rotate, up, rotate, squeeze. Shake them out. Whew, a little extra burn for those. It's fun. Now we got the wrists, and we're going to do both at once. So you can have those elbows in just like we were doing with the elbow cars, and we're going to go palms open. I'm going to have you extend, rotate those pinkies inward, pull up, palm toward you, then rotate toward the thumb. It's not going to go super far, and that's okay. Extend, rotate the pinkies in, pull up, rotate, extend, pinkies in, pull up toward the thumbs. All right, we're going to go back into this extension now, and now I'm going to have you go toward the thumbs first, and this tends to be a little harder like this. So toward those thumbs, scrape through that corner as much as you can, pulling up, trying to keep those palms and fingers flat. Extend, rotate, pull up, pinkies in, extend, rotate, and up. Whoo! Fantastic. Shake it out for a moment, and then I'm going to have us do one more version of this just for fun, okay? So, same deal, both at once, but we're making fists. Keep that fist tight and closed as much as you can. We're just going to do a couple reps, okay? So, extend, rotate in, pull up, and out toward the thumbs. Extend, rotate in, nothing else is moving, pull up, rotate out. Check those shoulders. Now we're going the other way, toward the thumbs, pull up, toward the pinkies, extend, toward the thumbs, pull up, toward the pinkies, extend, and relax. What a wonderful burn. And finally, we are going to do the spine. So, spine rotations here, focusing especially belly button up. Okay, so you can go shoulders crossed or hug. I'm going to just cross them here for right now. And we are going to start by rounding. I like a little soft bend in my knees. Round especially that upper and mid back. You're going to rotate to the right, tip the shoulder toward that right hip, extend back through that mid and upper back. Start to tip left, very much like the neck car. Start to rotate, round back down to the center, and come up. Okay, we're going to go the other direction now. So round, especially through that upper and mid back. Hips are not moving, okay? Rotate left. Feel those obliques working. Tip left. Extend through mid and upper back. Start to tip right. Rotate right. Round back down and up. You can switch the arms if you'd like, okay? A little bit different. And now we're going to do one more rep each way. Round down. Feel those abs working. Rotate right. Obliques are working a little more. Tip. Extend back. Feel the muscles on the mid and upper back working to pull you into extension. Then you're going to start to feel those obliques on the left side tipping you. Abs and obliques working to rotate you. And then round down. And up. So final rep. Really try to feel the muscles all around your torso pulling you in a circle. We're rounding. Abs are working. Rotating left. Start feeling those left abs. Obliques working. Tip. Extend back. Tip right. Rotate right. Round. And relax. Excellent work. Thank you so much for joining, and have a great rest of the day.